My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. May we never in our life get married to our enemy, even by mistake. E get why. My people, make una draw una chair, come closer, make una come hear matter. Hey, information reaching us right now be say Ned Nwoko is at it again. Regina Daniel under attack by Ned Nwoko people. Wetin sup? Na Mama Regina Daniel burst out oh. She burst out cry saying that what has she done to deserve all this? Una no talk say Mama Regina Daniel dey for vacation for Canada according to her post wey she post last that she's in Canada on a vacation. Now she is not around. And Regina Daniel bought a new mansion in Abuja where Mama Mercy Johnson bought her vision, generator, fridge, and other stuff like that, where she go take beautify her house as her baby girl wey Regina Daniel be. Now, on that particular day that gift came, Mama Regina was not around. She traveled because if una observe, na another person na im bin dey for the scene wey dey talk to Regina Daniel. On a norms, Ademi the mama dey around. She for dey there when they go deliver those gifts where Regina Daniel go dey happy, dey kneel down, dey cry, dey pray for Mercy Johnson, she would have been there. But no, she no dey around. She went for vacation to chop life. Say this life, e dey very, very short. Na who dey alive, na im dey enjoy. If you don kpai go, you don go be that. Na wetin you chop, na you dey carry go on the last day. So Mama Regina was not around. So after Regina Daniel finished setting up her mansion for Abuja there, setting it up, she get a security man, get all the necessary people wey she need, both cook, both people wey dey keep house in order, including her security man. So after that, she get location set. Una know say now Regina dey hot. Na she be the face now wey dey trend of recent. Even when other people face don dey fade, now na im Regina Daniel dey the trend. So they call her for location set for Asaba. According to the information right now, she enter Enugu from the airport that particular day. So in order for her to relax, she came in right on time a day too, so that she go come be like a thing of rush because one thing with location, small thing they go dey see am like say na spiritual problem. So in order to be on the safer side, she arrived right on time. So she needed a place where she go rest her head. She come say make she enter Asaba because for Asaba there, she get lot of places to stay. If she like, she stay for her mama house. She like, she go hotel. If she like, anything wey she shall like, na im she go do. Omo, to go relax before the call off time and dey for the shooting. Na so she come dey road when she comot for airport, whether the car man wey come carry her, whether na for airport there na im she board am, or she get her driver anytime wey she enter Asaba, na only God na im know. All of a sudden, they drive, they go full for Asaba, that Soulmate Junction there. Na im dey say from nowhere, some set of Hilux drivers just come enter Regina Daniel motor front. The next thing, dey tell her say make she come down, make she come down, make dem stop, make dem stop, make dem come down, make dem come down. Regina Daniel lock the car. She lock am. She say she no dey come down anything. She told the driver that he shouldn't open the door for them, make them do their worst. Instantly, na Regina Daniel come carry phone, come call im mama for that Soulmate Junction there for Asaba. Na im he carry phone come call im mama. Mommy, see see what is happening. I don't know what is going on. They have attacked me. Ned Nwoko is at it again. He want to kidnap me. He want to carry me by force. What have I done wrong? Now the way Regina they take the do her thing, before you know, tears don't full her eye. Like say she dey act film. Now she start to, now Mama Regina say, again, another one again. What will I do? What will I do? Okay, cut the call. I'll call you back. Now they say instantly, Mama Regina Daniel can't carry phone, come call the governor of Delta State, say, sir, please o, see wetin my daughter say e dey happen for Sunmate Junction there. Na im some men from nowhere inside Hilux carry theirself come stay for the front of her car. E remain small, her car for hit the people sef, based on how they take from nowhere just come boycott them, enter their front, come stand for their front, saying that she should come down, she should open the door and come down. So my daughter now refuse to come down. She say she's not going anywhere because she don't know them. This one, that one, make dem no come break the glass of the car o, make dem no come do her bad. Now she is not even around. She came for Canada for a vacation, and na all these things dey happen. E just be like say the person wey send dem, e know say she no dey around, even though Regina don already tell im mama say na Ipa na im send dem, you understand, but the mama no wan make am look as if na Ipa, based on say dem no get evidence, dem never capture the people wey come wan carry her, dem never carry dem wey dem confess say na Ipa. And you know say anything of this nature, one need to be extra careful with your utterances before im go come dey send make dem come arrest somebody, you understand, because na im work be that. Small thing e go say the lie for im head, make dem arrest mama Regina Daniel. So she tell the governor of Delta State say, sir o, see o, I don't know who those people are. They want to kidnap my daughter. What have I done wrong? God help me, please help me. This one, that one. Na im dey say the man immediately he employ all the security men wey im gather around, both soldiers o, mopo o, SARS o, all of them wey be say dem dey around. I know say for government house, a lot of security men dey full there, a lot of convoys full there. Na so dem tell dem dey go Sunmate Junction. Funny enough, when dem still dey drag, dem come surround the car, all because of Regina Daniel. They wan carry her by fire by force. Na so dem surround the car o. Dem dey tell her, I say come outside before I will shoot everybody here now. Come outside before I go put groundnut for the car, burst am, carry you come out now. Do this one, do that one. Thank God, to the glory of God, those people were very fast. Before you know, na so dem enter the Sunmate Junction, come meet those set of people for there. Immediately those ones dem see those military men dey come, because they use convoy, they dey do wow like say na emergency, so that everybody go park comot for road. You know say once car don dey do wow like that, you go know talk say they are they are on a mission. They dey come for something. Na so immediately they hear the one. Na so dem jump out o. They enter inside their Hilux. They start dey go. Na im dey call Regina Daniel, see her here. Na im dey say na the car be this. They come stop. Na so they take carry Regina Daniel from there, enter inside their own car, drive her go where she want to dey at that point in time. They come even dey advise her say if she want, make she employ some of their security agencies, make dem dey with her at this point in time, because her life is truly at risk. Make anything bad no come happen to her, because at this point in time she is now another hot cake, and who knows who will be after her. But she know who will be the person wey dey after her, but she no just wan talk. Say who knows who is after her now, but she need to tread with caution. By this time she suppose get security men all over, wey dey go dey bodyguard her, wey dey go dey follow her up and down. Na she say na location set na she come for, and e dey very important. So, and she just dey come from airport. Na she say make she enter Asaba, make she go look for where she go lodge, pending when they go start the location set. Say she no really come for anything, so she no ever believe say person go come follow her come this place, come dey drag her, come kidnap her. So she no really think am. Say but for where she dey come from, she get all these security agencies wey dey follow her up and down. She get securities, like her securities even tight. So maybe dem know talk say this one now she no go come with security, because na from airport direct na she carry that car. So she even dey surprised how this person take know the car wey she carry, take know where she's headed, and how dey take follow her to this very soulmate junction. Na that one even dey surprise her say but nevertheless she really appreciate them for coming. Na im dey say na the governor na im send dem. Na im instantly Regina too come carry phone come call the governor to appreciate am, say God will bless him for standing by for everything. Na im mama Regina too come call the Regina say how far? She say toh thank God she is set free. She is in a hotel room now. The security men came and drop her in one of the hotel wey she say she like for Asaba there, wey she dey always lodge anytime wey she come around, wey she no wan stay for her mama place. So she dey for there now, say even her mama place no dey safe for her. That is why she carry herself come this particular hotel. So they don come drop her there. Na there she dey now. Na the mama come say abeg make she dey careful, say she go even call the governor make im release some people, make dem dey around that place so that they go fit guard her pending when she will leave there. Na she say toh no problem. So the mama come call o make calls, even though Ipa too get level, despite say im don lose election, you understand, despite the losing of election e no mean say e no still get level. Maybe na one of those people im loyalist na dem e put make dem dey trace, make dem dey follow her anywhere she go. Now the question is, if you capture her by fire by force come your house, or you carry her by fire by force make una sit down talk, or make una do anything in common, what makes you believe that after you do that she no go comot? Person say e no want again, shebi na by force. Na never be see where dem do marriage by fire by force. Because make it make sense, what is it? Why are you looking for this girl by all means? You doing everything humanly possible to sha get her. Wetin be that thing wey dey for her body wey you dey find? Wetin be that thing wey you dey find for Sokoto wey you no dey for your Sokoto? The same you wey talk say you get plenty leg, you no wan come leave this particular leg make e go, wetin happen? Allow her focus on her career, her life. Make she no come dey fear for her life as if there is another thing attached. God abeg. Na so the mother omo, the mother ma e no wan gree o. If not for the help of the mother, the governors dis thing for no even cross Regina Daniel mind. Na the mother wey the thing just cross her mind say the best person wey go fit answer her sharp sharp now, wey go fit do the needful, na the governor, wey make she call the governor. Thank God the governor answered and he did what he ought to do as a man representing the people. May God continue to dey bless am for their Regina Daniel and her family, and for people of the Delta State wey im dey represent. Omo, na wow. See person wey dey put say make e represent the Delta North, na im dey do things like small pikin like this. God abeg, on top of woman matter, na im this man dey do things like children. Why? Why? My people, make una continue, make una dey put Regina Daniel for una prayer o. Even though I know say everybody get the one wey dey disturb am, get the one wey dey worry am for life, but abeg make una continue to dey put her for una prayer. Say the more they try, the more their secrets go dey expose, the more God go dey scatter their evil plans for their hand. By the special grace of God, no weapon formed against us will ever prosper. And na so e go continue to dey be. My people, na the matter be this o. I say make I come drop am for una, make una hear wetin dey sup o. Make una know talk say when we think say matter don finish, this man go rest, na the more im dey continue dey do even more, even worse than what we even expect. See you guys in my next upload. Drop your opinion on the comment section what you think, and give the video a massive thumbs up. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.